The last time I came over this way.
Just one defeat so far, 5 wins in a row in all competitions, into the last 16 of the League Cup, and then the Championship's second highest.
50 miles an hour.
A win today sends them top for at least.
It's still 50 miles an hour. Is it only 50 miles an hour?
I think the guys are doing all this week.
It's okay with like music radio, but commentary sort of radio.
Yeah.
It's just the noise, the constant noise in the background.
Yeah.
Grinds the head a little bit. Oh, you should have gone out and blocked the I wonder how Chelmsford are doing.
I don't know. I know they stayed in their division last year. They were threatening to get relegated.
Mansfield buoyed this week by reaching the 4th round of the League Cup for the first time in 48 years. Nigel Clough loves a cover. His team.
Well, that's not 40 miles an hour, but I had to fucking slam on my brakes.
Yeah. Of the early pace setters in League Two.
And I've got an Audi coming down this inside.
Notts County, they are at Colchester. Celtic left it late at lunchtime to be Motherwell 2-1.
What was the point of that 40 miles an hour then? I'm sorry.
It doesn't seem to be any 40 miles. Oh, right.
What was the point of that 40 miles an hour right there? Have to slam on the brakes to get down to 40 miles an hour for that. What's the point? That's just dangerous. Oh, okay.
Sort of thing. And, I mean, it was something I was suggesting what I did, but I mean, I never thought my maths was strong enough.
Oh my god.
The joke was a teacher at quite a high level as well, so I mean, they...
Turn left. Turn left.
Ooh,
Then
this
turn
looks
left
good thing
onto
you
Turn
held
Right.
back, wasn't it?
Okay, you're going straight. I wasn't sure whether they were going to force over or not, so I'd rather just wait.
Yeah.
Turn left.
Or it's
onto
better
Turn
just
Right.
to stop. It's fine, we can go back. We can go on it and then back. Can't we?
Yeah.
Are you in a lane or are you struggling to?
Estimated time in traffic, 8 minutes.
Sorry.
Nothing.
I was too distracted by the person pushing me out lane.
Well, shame you can't go around this roundabout.
Mm-hmm.
You used to be able to.
Oh my god.
What am I doing?
That's not a lane.
Were they hoping to go all the way round? Don't let them in, if you can help it.
Alright, they're just forcing their way in. Yeah, beat them, because they're fucks. Is that a lane? No.
Both of you, why?
Just gonna go back in front of them and enjoy the back of that kid, how are you? Oh no, okay, that's in all,
They're
mate.
in the other bit.
Onto B186, Bella Road.
Like this, see?
The fuck was that all about?
McDonald's one.
I thought I zoomed. Nothing about that zoom. All to get ahead of the one car.
I've got you the signal.
Midnight. Yeah, why is it 95 something? Why not? You know, open later, eh?
Open later at least.
Even midnight to 10 or something like that. You don't do that. Can't sit behind anyone. Especially if going left and this one. I'd excuse
Oh.
it if I fucking
They
going.
kept going round, they just kept going even though the car was there. Like they didn't want to stop.
Of course they don't want to stop, they're in the rush obviously.
What, this
And
red car?
they're more important.
What, this red car?
No, I think it was red car.
The red
the
car
white.
didn't want to stop.
Oh. There was a white car which I was moaning about.
That's right.
Don't know where you're expecting to go, mate. There's a car next to you. Why were you in that lane if you wanted to exit? And why it can't exit properly.
This van's gonna
Yeah.
cut you up. Is Dad still following you?
Oh, but Dan let someone in.